Hello everyone, today we make real British scone, the original recipe with fruit, I mean like raisins and plain, and both is original and taste high quality. This is the plain one, serving both with clotted cream and raspberry jam. Let's go. Here we go. We have 500 gram flour, 125 gram butter, 60 gram sugar, 4 gram salt and 8 gram baking powder. We put and 1 eggs. We put 1 eggs, sugar and 190 milliliter fresh milk. Here salt and baking powder together 4 and 8, 4 gram salt and 8 gram baking powder. Then I put 125 gram butter, room temperature. Very important is room temperature. We mix egg, sugar and milk together nicely. Make sure is mix it well. Then we by hand, you can use machine, but with hand you feel better. The flour butter together is fantastic. As you see, when it's room temperature butter, it's take like 2 minutes, and then you have nice crumble dough. We make a hole, then we added the liquid, egg, sugar and milk. Little spoon, just mix, feel the dough. It's fantastic. I'll put the whole description under the in the box under the video. Here we have 70 gram of raisin, cranberry, whatever you like, dry fruit, and then we soak it in orange juice. That means when it's soaked, it's easy to not burn in the oven. Here, this is the dough. We just mix it gently. Remember, this is not bread, so you have to be gently. As you see, it's compound very good. Here the dough, we cut it half. We added half dough to the raisins, I mean dry fruits. And half recipe will leave it plain. So if you want to make a whole raisin or whole plain is up to you. Then we cover to rest like 10 minutes in the fridge, just 10 minutes. After that little flour, you dust your table, gently you spread with roll. You can use also lamination machine or a dough sheeter. If you want to make bigger quantity, you just double it. Here we cut round, as you see. The most important that you have 20 milli high or 2 cm. The rest of the dough you cannot mix like bread. Be gentle. This is scone. You just mix as you see. You can keep it to cool down 10 minutes in the fridge. Then you spread again. 18 or 20 milli cm high. That's it. You cut all. This recipe exactly 15 pieces. This is the raisin one, the fruit scone. The same, the rest of the dough. You just mix it gently, keep it in the fridge 10 minutes. After that, you spread again. Don't over mixing, because the butter will goes out and will be very dry. The rest of the dough you put in the mold. Just press it to have the round shape. You don't throw any piece of the bread. This is the track. You cover it, keep in the fridge 24 hour. This is very important, 24 hour. Now you have to, if you don't participate in my channel, please make subscribe and like. I put your comment. Here, after 24 hour or minimum 12 hour, we upside down the dough. This is very important track. Upside down, you see the flat one is nice, sexy. One egg and little milk. That's it. If you want to put only egg yolk as you like, but I like whole milk, whole eggs with milk is becomes nice golden shiny. And then we brush the dough gently nice. Some people added sugar on top. Some people added salt. Is up to you. Remember, if you want to make it salty, you remove the sugar. Now we bake it in 200 or 190 is perfect. It takes 20 minutes as you see, golden, shiny, beautiful, and aroma very nice. Now we're serving the plain one. Just this is clotted cream. If you want to serve it with normal cream, is up to you. And this is the raisin one. This clotted cream, we make cannelle with hot water spoon. And little, if you want to for garnish, little apple mint. And this raspberry marmalade. Or you can serve it with lemon curd, is up to you. As you see, it's beautiful, shiny, and this is really the British way of scones. Thanks for attending my channel, and wish you enjoy. Please subscribe, make comment and share please my video to everyone. Thanks again.